Happy Monday, Genius Hour. It is Monday, May 11th. I'm going to give you the plan for the week in this PowerPoint. Hopefully you guys had a nice weekend. I know the weather wasn't super awesome, but it was Mother's Day weekend, so hopefully you've got a special mama in your life, maybe a grandma too, or an aunt, or maybe even a sister that you were able to treat with some respect yesterday and take care of a little bit. Those people do a lot for us in our lives. So I know my kids were pretty awesome. My daughter jumped out of an old box to wish me Mother's Day, and surprises really aren't my thing. So I screamed out loud, and then she felt bad, and then I loved her. And that was at 6:30 in the morning on Sunday. So anyway, I love my life. So here we are, Monday, May 11th. We've got the week of the 11th through the 15th, and here is our plan. First of all, let me see if I can back this up a bit for us. Here we go. Okay. So today you do have a Q4 project number 2 discussion board where you're going to introduce to everybody else what your thick question is and kind of what your plan for this final project is going to be. I have been in your action plans in OneNote. I will continue to work through those today. So if you haven't seen updates, hit refresh a few different times. For the few of you, I think there are 6 or 7 of you who have not completed your action plan yet, please make sure you're doing that as soon as possible so that you can get going with your project. Okay? So today, Monday, is the discussion board. Tomorrow, on Tuesday, and for the rest of the week, you will have work time for your project number 2. Okay? Please make sure that you are completing the daily creating log. It is already set up with the dates that we have for work time during this project. And keep in mind that all of your projects are due by Thursday, May 28th, okay? We will have a final reflection on Friday, May 29th, and then the following week is going to be set aside for anybody who is missing work or needs to finish things up. So there will be no new schoolwork assigned that first week of June. If you guys get everything done by Friday, May 29th, you will be done for Genius Hour. Woohoo! Okay. The Schoology calendar is updated to show that. Please check that out. Throughout the week this week and next week, I will be sending out check-in emails. Please remember, when you get an email from me, respond to it. If I've asked you questions in the email, please answer them. It seems pretty simple and straightforward. Make sure that you're doing that. Otherwise, you might get a phone call from me so I can touch base and ask some questions in person. Okay, guys. We have a big week ahead of us. We are almost done with the school year, just a couple weeks to go. Please let me know if you guys have any questions as you're getting started with your project. Email is probably the best way, quickest way to get a hold of me. Otherwise, you know you have your Tuesday, Thursday conference hours at 9 a.m. All right, take care, everyone.